I'm gonna grill up some biscuits. I'm gonna grill some peaches and make a like a parfait, like a sundae. We need sugar too for our compote, just a little bit. And then I saw these.
Oh, nice. Look at
that. It's like, okay, I'm gonna
coming
squeeze
together, Jeff.
lemon going in here.
So lemon to the blueberries. You gonna put a little sugar in there too?
I gotta get those seeds out. See, now I feel for these chefs.
It's a compote. It's rustic. There's seeds once in a while, right?
He's working fast.
Totally.
You know, I never gave him a time limit, but we are towards the end of the show.
I just want these to keep some of their vibrance, but also break down a little bit, almost like just a quick compote.
Quick. How about your grilled item there? You better get going, Jeff.
All right. Stop being so mean to me.
We're enjoying this a little too much.
This is really great. Anybody got any popcorn?
Careful, don't cut yourself, Jeff.
No, this is when you
cut
just
yourself.
very careful when you got the knife out. Oh, beautiful summer peach here. Just gonna hit it with a little, just a little olive oil to get it going. Watch it.
Good. Look.
Boom.
Oh, kissing peaches.
How much time is left, Katie? Like 40 seconds or something?
30 seconds on the clock.
I believe I have a half hour per the instructions and the rules of
You get
Kitchen
nothing.
Now, Jeff, I feel like I'm starting to see a little bit of your wife Sarah's family influence here. You got biscuits, peaches.
Yep.
So a little southern. They hail from Kentucky.
Exactly. So I'm Southern biscuit aficionado by proxy.
Yeah, you're southern adjacent.
Pinch of salt.
All right, Jeff, which one of our houses would you want to crash?
Oh, it's obvious.
You know what? Not just because he said that, and I know he's shooting lasers with his eyes at me right now, but it would probably have to be Alex's.
My house is like a restaurant.
It is. Look at that. That's all I wanted. Some nice smoky char on there. Then we're going to crumble these guys up so it's easier to spoon. Look at that. My peaches. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that, Jeffers. Man, you love when I am just slaying it. And that's what I'm doing right now because I'm, the Kitchen Crash King now. Kitchen Crash King.
This is kind of like a shortcake sundae.
It is. Okay. Boom. Bloobs. Peach. Bisque. Scream.
Tick-tock.
We got it all. Whew. Let's build. All right, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna crumble some
15
biscuits.
seconds on the clock.
Oh, come on, stop it, Katie. Enough of that. We're all friends here. Just a little bit on the bottom. So you get some of that smoky summertime cookout char we're looking for in all our dishes today. Warm, I would just a little bit. Look at how quick I did that RTC, guys, real-time compote.
What is that?
Real-time compote. And of course, those peaches that I'm gonna actually slice very thin. Who doesn't love peaches in the summertime?
The best, especially with blueberries.
Yeah.
And you said that's maple ice cream, right?
That is maple ice cream,
what a
Katie.
good combo. Yeah, don't be stingy with that ice cream.
I feel very I'm shaking, guys. Can you tell?
Katie is a tough judge. I like this commentary.
Now another layer of the RTC. Real-time compote.
Don't forget that whipped cream.
Oh, yeah.
Just au naturel. How about that?
It's the best.
Au naturel.
It's the best.
But we are not done yet. I want my vertical upcycle garden. Beautiful upcycled mint as a garnish that I planted a couple weeks ago.
The gift that keeps
And then
on
I saw
giving.
this. Don't kill me now. Just to make it a showstopper here. And that is a sparkler kitchen crack.
Happy birthday.
It's like being in the club, right?
Wow.
I'm nervous.
It's like a bottle of vodka, but it's not.
It's even better.
I love
It's
that.
really beautiful.
Really pretty. Look at you. So fancy.
Hey,
All right, I'm going to dig in here all
do
the
you
way to
think?
the bottom.
It was
Get
all fun
all
and
the
games
layers.
till Jeff burned the kitchen down.
Hey, at least we went out with a bang.
You know what's really good? The maple with the blueberries kind of wakes up the summer fruit.
Oh.
And I like the cream on top.